Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, my fellow traders. How are you today? I hope that your day is very well. It's good and happy and profitable. All right, guys. So let's talk about markets for a bit. Just a regular review of the market. It's Monday, and well, it hasn't been moving a lot, except the gold. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to jump on it. Have been waiting for was waiting for a deeper kind of correction, I would say, and unfortunately missed it. But it looks like it's going to reverse for now and will bounce back a little bit, so we'll have an opportunity. And my view on the gold is still long, so just trying to do something. Okay, so have been through a few trades, and as you can see, the market didn't move at all, I would say. And well, I did have a few break-evens here, So with the New Zealand, it was a break-even. With the pound, it was a break-even. Well, and a very small loss with Mexican gave it a try at the price of 18.75470. So basically I'm at zero today, so nothing has happened to my account yet. Have opened another position, short position at 18.86552. It's Mexican, but I do think that it will be a stop loss or a very short break even. So something like this, because the market is not going in my favor anyway. So, well, the only instrument that I'm watching is gold, which has moved quite a bit. Basically, it's good for, well, I mean, for intraday trading. It would be good to kind of enter it, but I did expect it to go a bit further down, so then I wanted to kind of buy it, but unfortunately I missed it. Okay, so let's see what the time will show. Will this day be profitable for me, or nothing at all will happen here? Okay, so let's have a look at market condition, at what is actually going on here. And okay, so let me switch to my kind of analysis platform where I'm looking at the charts basically. So do have lots of computers, lots of monitors, and have decided, all right now, have decided to use a TradingView this as a platform for my analysis basically, because I can well get to see the charts almost anywhere, so that's good. All right. So I know that for some traders, it does look like I'm not trading at all, but as you can see, here is my terminal. It's JForex, it's a Dukascopy, and I have two other accounts with other brokers as well, so that I'm trading. So basically that's, where is it? I lost it. All right. So that's just the analysis platform, and the platform where I can share it with you guys, so you can follow me on TradingView easily. You can find me there as Marenno as well, so we'll be glad if you will follow me there and support me with my researches. All right, so let me turn on my analysis. All right, what's happened here? Ooh, that's bad. That's really bad. Excuse me for this. Okay. Don't know why, but this small, small like a leg from my, well, I don't know, I can call it a leg, I guess, from my MacBook Pro, this laptop basically took off. So I don't know how did it happen. All right, but it did. Okay. All right, let's have a look at what is happening with the market. I will start with Aussie. So what do we have here? Still have a bullish view on the market. So as you can see, the market was flat. Nothing has changed. The same, well, the levels a bit because it's been narrow. So the levels just moved a bit down, I would say, and but they're basically the same. So I do expect a bounce from this level here, which is 0.75450. Okay, bullish market view, euro pound, bullish view on euro pound, I guess, just to check it. Yes, it's bullish view again. And what do I expect here? I do expect that the price will bounce of one of these two levels. So it might be this one, 0.84518, or another area to wait is 0.84325. This area. And okay, so it's a bullish view on the market here. Euro dollar will be quick. Okay, so just don't want to take your time. Good. I don't like it, to be honest, what I see here. All right. So what I have here, it's euro dollar. Again, bullish market view. I guess nothing has changed here because, well, my system is counting the analysis for me as well. So I do kind of check it always. Well, my view and my system's view as well. So I'm comparing it one to another. All right, so I do expect that the price will bounce of one of these. Well, I would say these two levels are the main, and I will review the market condition just below the 1.11210. Do believe that the price can actually bounce of 1.11387. Bullish view on the instrument. Cable, all right, bearish view on the instrument, as you can see. Yes, system is bearish as well. Okay, the system I will just demonstrate you. It's not some website that I'm looking somewhere. Well, I don't know, you can see it or not. It's basically an Excel file. It's like my plan, my lots of different stuff is here. Well, you can't see it properly, but at least it's something that you probably think that I'm watching some others, analysis or something like this. It's not like this, but guys, it just I'm always talking about journals. Well, when you trade, you must have a journal. And that's what I mean, basically. That's some kind of a journal and checkbox for me. And, that's some rule-based technique is there. So that's why I always have to check my opinion with my system's opinion as well. Okay, so bearish view on cable at the moment, and I do expect that the price can actually go up till this level, 1.32470, before it will go down. Currently, the price is in a range. Well, it can actually just simply go down from here, but you must remember that. Let me check it. All right, let me switch to news panel, just a sec. So we do have a news coming on Australian dollar. It will be, I just want to tell you the time. So it will be at 5:30 London time, 5:30 a.m. London time, interest rate decision and RBA rate statement. So that's basically what we have to watch. And that's why the market is that narrow at the moment. So basically, it's already evening. Well, the second part of American session has started, so we might have a bit of volatility during this session and Asian, just a little bit. But then I guess that all views are actually on this news now. So RBA rate statement. Okay, so it looks, well, the expectation is that they're going to change it to 150. So, well, will it happen or not? We'll see. Okay, don't like what I see with Mexican. All right, but I don't like the market today at all. So it was, well, you know, sometimes trader is doing some mistakes because, well, he's made some wrong decision or something. Well, today it was a mistake to trade, to be honest. It just not the right day to trade at all. You know, it was so narrow the whole day. So it is possible that something is going to happen, but, well, I mean, nothing major, definitely. And just a few pips move, probably a couple of, well, let's say 20, 30 pips move. Well, maybe, you know. But it takes some pips to see the pattern as well. So that's, well, in my approach of trading. All right, guys. So let's switch to New Zealand, Kiwi. So what do we have here? Okay, so do I have a bullish view on this one? Yes, I do have a bullish view on this one. All the same, guys. Do expect that the price, well, it's already bounced off this level, so it doesn't, it seems that it's not going to kind of get back to this level actually, which is 0.71711, but it is possible. As you can see, the level has changed a bit, so it's possible that this level will be hit, 0.71749. Again, it's New Zealand. It's it will be traded mostly, and it's New Zealand to American dollar basically. It will be traded mostly during the Asian session. So that's when we actually have to watch it. Well, as you can see now on gold, well, I can see it here, the reversal occurs. So basically we are going to have a good opportunity to buy at 134950 somewhere here. Okay, so dollar CAD, let's go a bit further. So Canadian. So with this arrow, with the last arrow, you see my view, main view. And if I have review market conditions at the upside, it means that in case if the price will continue its up movement, then I will review it and possibly I will try to buy it during the next session or something like this. So that's basically how to understand all my drawings here, which is not a problem, I guess, for all of you guys, and for me as well. It's quite easy. All right, so what's that? It's Canadian. Do believe that the view is bearish at the moment. Okay, so it is possible that the price will continue its up movement towards this level, 1.31578, and then drop from here. But, well, it's very narrow, so it's hard to say what is going to happen and when. I guess that it won't happen during the US session, possibly. So we just have to wait till the day closure. Then I would wait till the Asian session will be ended, and then I would try to kind of enter the market at London Open, I would say. Well, at least 1 hour after London Open, or 15 minutes after London Open, when, in case if it will show us the direction a bit earlier. So don't jump in front of the train. So it's not a good idea always. So Frankie, let's have a look at Frankie. Wanted to buy it actually. Was, well, you see, the thing is that it was an opportunity to buy here, but if I'll switch to 1 hour chart, you'll see what I mean basically. I didn't see a clear pattern. These kind of patterns, yes, I saw it. I was thinking about probably I have to try it or not. That's something what I don't like. So it's messy. I like it to be clear, you know. Even if I will miss one trade, two trade, three trades, you always have to stick to your kind of trading style, trading approach, no matter what you do, no matter how you do it, you know, you just have to stick to it. And if you will start to move around, to jump around, you will start to lose. Because the thing is that what is the system? We are all trading probabilities, basically. And we know that if this will occur, if I will do this and this and this, then I have a certain chance for success. But the problem is that if you will start to jump around, you won't have all of this. So it will be just a random game or something like this. It won't be a something what you can actually use. Okay, so what can I tell you about Frank? So Frankie, at the moment, it does go down. The system is telling me that, well, I have to start thinking about selling it, but I still want to buy it because we haven't been down here yet. So the parity is something what I'm waiting here. As you can see, we do see some kind of good reversal. It might be. So in case of this level will be broken, which is 0.97085, and the price will be closed above it. So I will try to place a limit order at this level here. Well, I would say 0.97, yes, and the target will be 1. Stop loss, of course, just below this level. So limit order below this level and like 20 pips stop loss or something like this, 25, not more than that. All right, dollar yen. The view is down, the market is narrow. Do believe that the price will jump up for a bit, so to at least level 102.969. Let me check it. Well, basically, I do have this system just for not making mistakes. So for example, if I do see a conflict within my system and my personal view, then I have to find why this conflict appears and what shall I actually do. Shall I follow my system or my own rules, and why? So basically it's some kind of let's say mental stop loss for me. I would say something like this, something what stops me from huge number of mistakes, basically. Okay, and that is also something what I want you guys to create for yourself, because if you'll have it, then you'll be able to use it, and you'll be able to have an advantage in trading, to have your edge, and you'll come to it much quicker. All right, let me switch to 15 minutes just to see all these levels a bit more clear. So, okay, so Mexican. So what do we have here? Well, we are at the very good reversal point. Well, as you know, this level was kind of the level I've been watching for a while here. Even here, I had like a few opinions. So breaking through this area, looking for long entries. So I've placed this area here, so it hasn't been broken through. So, and that's why the market basically closed below. And now it does show a confirmation here. But what can I say? Well, we are in a very narrow market, and no matter if it is around this level here, the market is not going down at the moment. That's what clearly can be seen. It will possibly go, possibly not. I'm not sure what will happen here. So I do expect some volatility on the market later on, as I've already explained you why. And what can happen, well, the price can actually show us a wick somewhere just to trigger all the stop losses above this area here. So that's why my stop loss can be triggered as well, because it's just above this level. So very easy, I can be out of the market with a small stop. Well, it is a small stop. I've entered. I just don't want to destroy all my kind of workspace. So basically, That's why I can, well, I can actually try to show you. Just a second. Well, how can I do it? Just to switch to another monitor. Just a sec. All right. So if I'll switch to, just a second, where is it? That's wrong, that's wrong. Maybe this one. I'll try. That's the one. So can you see it? Yes, as you can see, this is my Mexican trade basically here. So I've used the limit order just around this area. The market is not going down. Take profit. That's why take profit is that short. So it's just in case if the market will move fast for a bit, at least for a bit. So then, okay. So then I'll possibly be able to at least get something out of the market today. Doesn't look so. Don't like what I see. Okay. Unfortunately. Oh, that's what I can do. All right, where is it now? All right, it's here. Okay, so that's what it is. All right, so that's about Mexican. So let me switch to my analysis. All right, I'll place it here. It's not a problem. And gold, the last one, what I want to look at. So what we can see here, well, I wanted to buy it around this area, didn't like the pattern actually. It was quite good on 15-minute chart. I don't like trade out of the noises without having proper kind of tails like this one, for example, you know, so V-shaped market, that's what I like to trade. Don't really like these ranges, you know, and I do not trade breakouts. I do not believe in it. So have decided to use just one system. You know, it's much better than jump around them. All right. So, well, what we can see, the price has already stopped here. It has actually triggered this level, which is 1353.90. So the possibility is that the price will kind of go down for a bit towards this level, possibly, which is a volume weighted level. So it might work as well. It has been triggered for a while now, but as you can see, this area within, like, let's say $1 will be fine. So 1350 might be 50.75, something around this level. The price can actually go down here, and then we'll see some kind of reversal pattern around here. Well, we might have a range already, actually. One high, peak, trough, peak, and then another trough might be around here as well, 1346.00. So, okay. Always remember to do your own research as well. So look at markets with your own eyes. Always remember about it and know how to follow someone. So that's very important because, well, first of all, you must know that the person who you're following can, well, simply go on holiday and then you'll be out of analysis, etc. Then what can also happen, the person will decide just stop, you know, doing all this analysis, public analysis work, so etc. And you don't really know the approach, how the person is trading, and does this person actually trading or not. So what it is, well, always be careful when you are following someone. And know that, well, if you're following someone, you must follow his or her rules as well. So just remember about it. Okay, guys, so have a good one. I really hope that you've heard me, that you understood basically all what I wanted to tell you. And etc. So right, where is it? Okay, good. Okay, fine. Good. All right, guys. So I'll see you later. Have a great day. Have a great evening, whatever. And the most importantly is have a brilliant trading career in the future. Don't worry about today. Never worry about today. Worry about the whole career. Try to stay on the train for as long as you can. Okay, guys, have a good one. Bye bye. We'll speak to you tomorrow in the morning. It's 6 o'clock London time. Bye bye.